Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Susan Vincentz, and in this video we're going to talk about those times when you try to open a PDF and it does not open in the program that you want it to open in. For example, if you have Adobe Acrobat Reader somehow installed and you've tried it for signing a document or just being able to fill in something, a form, but you don't want all PDFs to open like that. I'm going to show you how to take your default out of Adobe Acrobat Reader or something similar back to just normal opening in the browser through Google Chrome. So if you're on a Windows computer, you are going to go down to the search bar next to the Windows area on the bottom left corner, and you're going to type in default apps, and probably when you start typing it'll find it for you. So you're going to go to default apps, and it's going to take you to a Windows screen, and you may or may not find it here. So I would go all the way down, and we're looking for file type here, so a PDF file. So you're going to choose default apps by file type. So click on that. It'll take a moment to load. There's going to be a long list on the left. So we're going to scroll down to the left once it loads, and we're going to find PDF in alphabetical order. So we're going to scroll down all of these file types. So keep scrolling all the way down to PDF. It's going to take a moment to get all the way down there. So here we are at PDF. So we're just going to choose that, and right beside it, it has mine right now opening in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Well, I just wanted to open with the regular browser. If I'm clicking on something in my email or something from a website that opens in a PDF, I'm a Google Chrome user. If you're a Microsoft Edge user, pick that. But for the most part, we're going to be Google Chrome users. Click Google Chrome, and it should change back, and then you should be good to go. So now the next time you open a PDF document, it should go back to normal, like you probably are used to, opening in just the web browser like normal instead of the big fancy Adobe Acrobat Reader. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through my email, and I will be happy to assist. Have a great day, and see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.